Hello friends, welcome to the Point. In today's session, we'll be discussing about the ancient scripts of India. So what do you mean by a script? A script, it is also known as writing system or orthography. So this script, it is a standard for representing the parts of spoken language by making specific marks on the medium. So that medium, it may be paper, rocks, birch bark and so on. The two ancient scripts in India, it comprise Brahmi and Kharosthi script. And most of the ancient and modern scripts in India, they are developed from Brahmi script like Devanagari, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Odia and so on. So we can say that this Brahmi script, it is the mother of scripts. And however, Urdu, it is written in a script that is derived from Arabic, and a few minor languages such as Santali, they use independent scripts. Now let us see that independent scripts. Indus scripts. The Indus script, it is a corpus of symbols that is produced by Indus Valley civilization, and most inscriptions, they are extremely short, and it is not clear if these symbols, they constitute a script used to record a language. Brahmi script. Brahmi script, it is the oldest writing systems used in Indian subcontinent and in Central Asia during the final century BCE and the early centuries. So some believe that this Brahmi, it was derived from contemporary Semitic script or from the Indus script. All surviving Indic script in Southeast Asia, they are the descendants of Brahmi scripts. Best known Brahmi inscriptions are rock cut edicts of Ashoka in north central India. The script, it was deciphered in 1837 by James Prinsep. This Brahmi, it is usually written from left to right. So Brahmi, it is an abugida, which means that each letter, it represents a consonant, while ovals are written with obligatory diacritics called matras in Sanskrit, except when the oval commences a word. So Gupta script. So this belongs to Gupta Empire, and it was used to write Sanskrit. So Gupta script, it descended from Brahmi, and it gave rise to Nagari, Sharada and Siddham scripts. So this scripts in turn, it gave rise to many of the important scripts of India, including Devanagari, Gurmukhi script for Punjabi language, Assamese script, Bengali script and the Tibetan script. So all these descendants of Brahmi script, they are collectively called Brahmic scripts. Kharosthi script. The Kharosthi script, it is an ancient script used in ancient Gandhara, which is in present Afghanistan and Pakistan, to write the Gandhari Prakriti and Sanskrit. And this Kharosthi script, it is a sister script of Brahmi, and it was deciphered by James Prinsep again. The Kharosthi script, it is also an abugida like Brahmi. Kharosthi includes a set of numerals that are similar to Roman numerals like 1, 10 and so on. So this Kharosthi, it is mostly written right to left, but some inscriptions, they also show from left to right. Vatteluttu script. So the Vatteluttu alphabet, it is an abugida writing system originated in South India, and it was developed from Tamil Brahmi. Vatteluttu, it is one of the three main alphabet systems that is developed by Tamil people to write Granthi or Pallava alphabet and the Tamil script. Kadamba script. The Kadamba script, it marks the birth of dedicated script for writing Kannada language, and it is also a descendant of Brahmi script, and it developed during the reign of Kadamba dynasty in 4th to 6th centuries. This script, it later became Kannada Telugu script. Grantha script. The Grantha script, it was widely used between 6th century and 20th centuries by Tamil speakers in South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, to write Sanskrit and classical language Manipravalam, and it is still in a restricted use in traditional Vedic schools. So it is a Brahmic script which have evolved from Brahmi script in Tamil Nadu. The Malayalam script, it is a direct descendant of Grantha, as are the Tigalari and Sinhala alphabets. Sharada script. The Sharada script, it is an Abugida writing system of Brahmic family of scripts, and this was developed around 8th century, and it was used for writing Sanskrit and Kashmiri. Originally it was more widespread, and its use became later restricted to Kashmir, and it is now rarely used except by Kashmiri Pandit community for ceremonial purposes. Gurmukhi script. So this Gurmukhi, it is developed from Sarada script, and it was standardized during 16th century by Guru Angad. The whole of the Guru Granth Sahib is written in this script, and it is the script most commonly used by Sikhs and Hindus for writing the Punjabi language. Devanagari script. Devanagari, it is an Abugida alphabet of India and Nepal, and it is written from left to right. The Devanagari script is used for about 120 languages, including Hindi, Marathi, Nepali, Pali, Konkani and Maithili, and among other languages and dialects, making it one of the most used and adopted writing systems in the world. The Devanagari script is also used for classical Sanskrit text. Modi script. So Modi, it is a script used to write Marathi language. This Modi was an official script used to write Marathi until 20th century, when the Balbodh style of Devanagari script was promoted as a standard writing system for Marathi, and this Modi, it was primarily used to write Marathi. Other languages such as Urdu, Kannada, Gujarati, Hindi and Tamil, they are also known to have been written in Modi script. Urdu script. So the Urdu alphabet, right to left alphabet used for Urdu language, and it is a modification of Persian alphabet, which is itself a derivative of Arabic alphabet, and it has its origin in 13th century, and it is closely related to the development of Nastaliq style of Perso-Arabic script. So Urdu script, in its extended form, it is known as Shahmukhi script, and it is used for writing other Indo-Aryan languages of North Indian subcontinent. So see you all in the next session with some other interesting topic. Thank you.